These are most fearsome ground force air defense system used by the Russian. The BUK Ground Force Air Defense System. The BUK Ground Force Air Defense System, NATO reporting name SA-11 Gadfly, is designed to operate in intense electronic countermeasure environments for defeating aerodynamic targets, Lance-type ballistic missiles objective, flying at low and medium altitudes at speeds of up to 830 mph and maneuvering at up to 10-12 g at ranges of up to 30 kilometers. Missile system is deployed with the armed forces of Ukraine and a number of other countries. The BUK-M1 system includes Air Defense Guided Missiles 9M38M1, Command Post 9S470M1, Early Warning and Target Designation Radar Unit 9S18M1 Cupole M1, Self-Propelled SAM Launching System 9A310M1, Launcher Loader Module 9A39. The 9A310M1 launcher provides a considerable improvement over the earlier 9A310, with the target detection, lock-on and auto-tracking range performance increased by 25 to 30%, and the target classification capability for aircraft, ballistic missiles and helicopters raised to 0.6 minimum. BUK M2E Air Defense Missile System. BUK M2E, NATO name, SA-17 Grizzly, is a medium-range advanced defense missile complex, ADMC, designed and manufactured by Almaz-Antey, primarily for the Russian Army. The missile system can be deployed against tactical and strategic aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, tactical ballistic and aircraft missiles, guided bombs, and other aerodynamic aircraft in heavy enemy counter-fire and radio jamming conditions. It can also be used to destroy water and ground surface contrast targets. The missile system offers superior defense capability in combat operations. The BUK M2E system was demonstrated at the FIGHTY 2014 exhibition in Chile as well as at the Indo Defense 2012 Expo and Forum in Indonesia, MAKS 2013 International Air Show in Russia, Aero India 2013 Show, and Lima 2013 International Aerospace and Naval Equipment Exhibition in Malaysia. BUK M2E Missile System Development. The BUK M2E Surface-to-Air Missile (SAM) system is an export variant of the BUK M2, which entered into service with the Russian Army in 2008. The Tikhomorov Research Institute of Instrument Design, JSC and IIP, Zhukovsky, which is part of Almaz-Antey, is the prime developer of BUK M2E system. The prime manufacturer is Ulyanovsk Mechanical Plant, UMZ. The design process of the system was completed in 1988. Syria placed a contract worth $1 billion for BUK M2ES in 2007. The systems were also in service with the Venezuela and Azerbaijan. An air defense missile brigade of the Russian Army conducted test firings of the missile system at the Kapustin missile test range. The SAM successfully destroyed 5 targets with 5 missiles during the tests. BUK M3 Viking 9K317M. The BUK M3, also nicknamed Viking, medium-range surface-to-air missile system, is a modernized version of the BUK M2 system, features advanced electronic components and a deadly new missile, and could be regarded as a completely new system. The system is designed, developed and manufactured by the Russian defense company Almaz-Antey. The BUK M3 system boasts a new digital computer, high-speed data exchange system, and a telethermal imaging target designator instead of the teleoptical trackers used in previous models. A battery of BUK M3 missiles can track and engage up to 36 targets simultaneously, while its advanced 9 or 31M missile is capable of knocking down all existing flying objects, including highly maneuverable ones, even during active electronic jamming. The BUK M3 can also engage sea and land targets, due to its vertical launch capability. According to some Russian newspaper websites, the BUK M3 would be made operational before the end of 2015. In December 2015, the Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu has announced that the Russian armed forces will receive in 2016 the first set of the newest medium-range air defense missile system BUK M3. Armament and radar system. A BUK M3 Viking missile battery consists of 2 Teller 9A317M, transporter erector launcher and radar, and one TEL 9A316M, transporter erector launcher, vehicle. The Teller is based on the GM569 tracked armored chassis, carries 6 ready-to-fire missiles mounted on a turntable that can traverse a full 360 degrees. The turret of the Buk M3 Teller includes fire control radar at the front and a launcher with 6 ready-to-fire missiles on top. In August 2018, at Army 2018 International Military Technical Forum in Moscow, the latest variant of the Buk M3 was shown for the first time to the public with a new launcher turret equipped with 2 rows of 3 missile containers. The reloader vehicle of the Buk M3 Viking is equipped with 2 blocks of 6 missiles, using the same tracked chassis as the previous version of the Buk family. Missile. The Buk M3 Viking uses the new 9 or 31M missile radar-guided surface-to-air missile (SAM), with increased range and enhanced overall performance compared with the 9M38 used on the Buk M1 and Buk M2. The Buk 3M's target destruction probability has reached 0.9999, and its maximum destruction range has been increased by 25 kilometers and now stands at 70 kilometers. The Buk M3 is able to destroy any type of air target from a range of 2.5 to 70 kilometers, with a speed of 3000 m/s at an altitude from 15 m to 35 kilometers. The Buk M3 missile has been optimized for the interception of low-flying cruise missiles, but can also engage ground and sea targets. The missile system also includes a new digital computer, high-speed data exchange system, and a thermal target imaging designator replacing optical trackers on previous Buk models. The 9 or 31M missile is fitted with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead. Mobility. The Buk M3 Viking missile system is mounted on a tracked armored chassis GM569A as the Buk M2. The Buk M3 armored vehicle is motorized with a V46 multi-fuel diesel engine developing 710 horsepower at the maximum speed of 2.000 rpm. The hydromechanical transmission has a 2-flow differential arrangement and includes a 4-speed planetary gearbox, an all-gear planetary reverse with a gear ratio of a unit, an integrated torque converter with a lock-up friction clutch, summing rows, an input matching reduction unit comprising a bevel and a cylindrical pair of gears, control system pumps, and a hydrostatic steering gear. The control of the hydromechanical transmission is electro-hydraulic. The cooling system of the engine and transmission system is of an ejection type and uses the traction engine exhaust energy. The power required for the cooling system does not exceed 15 horsepower. The cooling system includes an ejector and a package of liquid air radiators of the engine cooling and lubrication systems, the transmission oil system, and the suspension shock absorber cooling system. The suspension on either side consists of 6 dual road wheels with the drive sprocket at the rear, idler at the front, and 4 track return rollers which support the inside of the double pin track only. The vehicle can run at a maximum speed of 70 km per hour with a maximum road range of 500 km. The crew of 4 is located at the front of the vehicle. The crew enters and leaves the vehicle via 2 large hatches located at the front of the armored chassis. The vehicle is protected against the firing of small arms and shell splinters. Combat assets. Target detection stations. 9A317M self-propelled fire unit with 6 missiles, Teller. 9A316M loader launcher unit, LLU, with 12 missiles, TEL. 9T243M transport and loader vehicle.